Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how fertilizers are made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Here we precisely balance the key nutrients, the nitrogen, the phosphorus, and the potassium, ensuring optimal ratios for growth.
We have a fluctuation on the central temperature gauge. Adjust the pressure now.
Acknowledged. Ratios are stabilizing.
Each batch is carefully processed to ensure consistent nutrient delivery. Every product is tested to meet agricultural and environmental standards.
And that's how fertilizers are made, from raw materials to the fields that feed the world.